Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I am starting to do. I ordered these little faux druzy resin beads, and you put them on earrings, and then I bought these cards, and I'm also making the long dangle and the lever back as well as some bracelets and necklaces. It's my new thing now. All right. I did not have enough of the posts for my little resin druzy pieces, so I'm just going to package these, and I have to order some more and work on my other earrings. I packaged them, and I'm going to put my business card on the top with my Etsy shop, because in my Etsy shop I sell the real genuine druzy agate, and what other stones do I sell? Tiger's eye, amethyst, all of them. So you know, they're interested in buying genuine stones and whatnot, I'll have all that information on there. I am also going to be selling some of my stuff that I sell on my Etsy shop at the craft fair. It's a little bit more pricier, but maybe some people will be interested in it and come back. All right, moving on. Okay, so I have been working on my crystal pendants. These are all amethyst, genuine amethyst, on 18-inch silver-plated necklaces. I have my agate druzy, genuine agate druzy stones on my pendants. I love these. These are genuine agate druzy stones, and you can see the druzy on the bottom. They're kind of heavy, but these chains were they were an excellent buy, because they are also nickel free and plated with 14 karat gold. And then I have all my quartz, and these are my mother of pearl. And the way you could tell if something really is a good stone, or a real stone rather, just do the touch test. If it's cold, it's real. And anyway, so these are the pendants I will be selling, that I do sell in my Etsy shop, but I will be selling on the next craft fair. And these are the lip balm pouches I made, and these are the chapsticks that I made, the homemade chapsticks. Rather than just sell these for $1, which I was doing, I'm including them in these keychain pouches. I have a whole ton of them, so I don't know if you guys could see that. And moving on, I will do the rest of my, what am I doing now? My earrings. So now I am working on my Dangle earrings with the druzy resin. These are so easy and just so much fun. They're so cute. I guess I could make the resin. I learned how to do it on one very happy. Come on me, I can make stuff all over the place. But anyway, I learned how to do like resin druzy on one very happy bird glitter nest, and I tried it a couple times, but it didn't come out that good. I'm worried about using resin. I just hear that it's bad to inhale, and so anyway, so that's why I just got the beads that were already done and just made the dangles. So I'm going to be working on these. So I packaged everything. What I did was I used the earring backings as toppers. But now I'm going to take some of the 5 million flowers that I bought and hot glue them right here to hide the staple. So here are all my earrings, and then I'll put together my bracelets and move on from there. Okay, so I packaged all my stone jewelry. I did the druzy necklaces that, with the stones, I put them in. I used, what is it called again? E6000. Then I have my other stone jewelry that I put on leather cords. And here are the bracelets I made with the druzy stones. There's a whole bunch of them. And then I made these little toppers, as I said, with the earring tops. I have some other stones that I purchased from Michael's, and I put them on necklaces. Here are all the earrings that I have that I made, the faux druzy. Have them. I might just display them in these, only because even though it's Christmas, this is a Christmas event, I just think it goes with the whole theme. I don't know. And again, here are my chapsticks that I make. and I put them inside of these. They are keychains, and here's some single ones. And then I have these. This is what I sell in my Etsy shop. And then I have my quartz, and I have a whole bunch of different stones. Amethyst, quartz, agate, druzy. I mean, I've shown this already in the past. And then I have explanations of all the stones, what they mean, what their healing purpose is. I always include that. And that is it so far. I'm going to make some expandable bangle bracelets with stones, not charms. I'm going to make those the coily kind with stones. And then I think that's it. I don't know if I'm going to make the soap. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.